Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you are watching today because this is another full day of eating keto low carb. What does that look like? So what this is I basically vlog my entire day of what I eat. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, if there's a snack, if there's a dessert, I include all of it. Because sometimes when we think, oh my gosh, how can I do this? How can I actually make this work for me without having to be so strict? I can tell you right now that these videos are so helpful because even I sometimes will go back and watch my old ones and be like, oh yeah, that's what I did that day and that was a good idea. And it helps me realize that I can do this each day. You just wake up and you go one step at a time and it all works out at the end of the day. It's always so encouraging when I don't plan these, and by the end of the day my macros are still perfectly in line with the ratios they need to be. So today you're going to follow me around breakfast, lunch, dinner. Should there be any snacks? Should there be anything in between? I will include that for you, and I will do my best to include the tracking of macros, and I use the Carb Manager app to do that. If you've never used the Carb Manager app or you've tried and you weren't really sure how to go about using it, I linked a video that I've made called How to Use the Carb Manager app. It's down in the video description. It's actually the #1 video right now as of taping this when you search Carb Manager on YouTube. So thank you so much for all of you who are subscribed to the channel, who have been watching that video, sharing it with others, because it is you guys that made that happen, definitely not me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And for those of you that have not subscribed, go ahead and do that. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll get notified of all new content like this, recipes, keto tips and info, all sorts of great things, specials and giveaways. You never know what's gonna pop up on the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's hop in to breakfast. Hi guys, okay, so it's breakfast. Thank you for following me. You hear the coffee just got done brewing. So what I usually do for breakfast, and I honestly do this every single day, and even when I'm out of it, I then have to home make this, and it is a hassle when I have to do that, but I do it. So I don't actually eat breakfast food. I don't make myself eggs or an omelet or anything like that. I instead have a bulletproof coffee, but the way that I do it is with keto cream, which has all my collagen and MCT oils and coconut oil, all that kind of stuff in it. So I'll quickly show you how I make it, and that way you get to see it. And then we shake it up. And you'll see my kids are home. It's a Friday, and they don't have school. They don't have school today, so they helped out, and they helped make the coffee, right?
Yeah, I mostly did that.
He mostly did it. Okay, so we have it all shaken up, and I'm going to be pouring it into my cup, and this is breakfast. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. All I've had to eat so far is bulletproof coffee, so now it is 1:30 and I'm getting ready to eat my lunch, which I actually just filmed another video, and it's a recipe for keto pancakes, so that's what I'm having for my lunch. So far, I'm planning on eating 2 of them, which I know are 2 carbs, but I don't remember the rest of the ratios for them. So this little guy right here is eating them as well. If you would love to learn how to make the keto pancakes, you can just check out the link in the description box below for that recipe. It's step-by-step with all of the ingredients and all the instructions as well. As you can see, I've already started to eat them. I have 2 pancakes here with butter on top and also sugar-free, carb-free syrup. It's by Walden Farms. I'll put the link for that for Amazon as well down in the description box. So, you can pair this with bacon, breakfast sausage. You can have eggs on the side, omelet, scrambled eggs, whatever you love. So make it work for you. Feed it to your kids. Yummy. Hey guys, so it is now 5 o'clock and I do not have dinner planned yet. So now here's the thing, is that I actually have to go out tonight and lead worship at a life group for my church, so I'm really stoked about that. But what's gonna happen is I'm not going to be eating dinner until later, so like late tonight. So this is not intermittent fasting. This is like eating really late at night, which everyone tells you that you're not supposed to do, but I'm gonna do it. And so it's probably not gonna be 7, 8:30, 9 o'clock maybe by the time I eat. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to eat. I know that so far my day has not been very nutritious, so I definitely need some vegetables. I think I actually might make shrimp tonight. I have shrimp in the freezer, so I might do that. But what I'm gonna do right now, it's 5 o'clock, and it will help me not snack or eat any of the desserts at this life group when I go there, is I'm going to drink a ketone. So I'm going to have that now, and it'll take me probably like 20 minutes to drink it because you're not supposed to chug it. The one I'm gonna use is called Splash. It has it's like a very, very light grapefruit flavor. It's not sweet, it's just kind of refreshing, I guess would be the best way to say it. So I'm gonna drink one of these because it has appetite suppression. It keeps me in ketosis. It's gonna give me some energy to get through the rest of my night since I've been up all day running around and doing all sorts of stuff, working on a lot of YouTube things. Exciting stuff on the website too that I've been working on today. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna shake it up, and then I will see you guys at dinner. And again, I have no idea. I might even end up having to stop on the way home and get something. I don't know what it will be though. So don't judge me on my nutrition choices today because I definitely did not plan this. Some days are better than others, right? But I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so it is after 9 o'clock. I knew it was gonna be crazy late, and we ended up going to Smashburger and getting takeout because it's just way easier than me making anything myself. I ended up getting a jalapeno burger, but as a lettuce wrap, not a bun, and a side of crispy Brussels sprouts. Now, I know calorie-wise, it's gonna be crazy high. I'm gonna put everything in, and we're gonna see where the macros line up though, because for me, I don't worry necessarily so much on a daily basis about calories, but more about macros when I'm doing this. So I'll show you what the food looks like and put it in. We'll see what happens. So that is my entire crazy Friday of eating keto. Now listen, today was not a wonderful nutrition day because I definitely did not get as much vegetables in as I would have liked to. My lunch, because I made the pancakes, was like super simple, and then I did have though the Brussels sprouts, and I had my burger on a lettuce bun that also had guacamole and some tomatoes, and I was able to put that into Carb Manager. I included that, so my macros today actually again ended up really well. My carbs were super low, only at 2%, because I did not have a lot of the vegetables and a lot of the cheese that I normally do have when I'm tracking an entire day of doing this. So that was my day today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do you go to fast food and to restaurants when you're doing your keto diet? If so, I would love to see in the comments the kind of tips and tricks that you experience when you go out. Which is your favorite place? What do you get? Let's share the love and all the info with everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit the like button if you've made it this far. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time,